Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to write a program that provides an array and sorts the array in ascending order. To do that, we need to include one predefined library in C++ that is called algorithm. So we include the algorithm to do the job for us. Initially, in the first step, we need to declare and define one array for ourselves with the elements that we want. It depends on what we want. It can be having like 2 elements, 5 elements, 10 elements. It depends on what we want to do. Then we are going to understand the size of the array. We learned previously how to compute the size, so we basically have the size of function in C++. This is a predefined keyword. So we divide the size of the array by the size of the first element of the array. So it is going to be something like if each element of the array is going to have 4 bytes. So the size of the array would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4 bytes will be 24 divided by 4. So the answer will be 6, which is the size of the array. So which is true because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will see that we have the 6 elements in the array. So this way, with this formula, we are going to compute the size of the array. Then, in order to sort our array, we are going to use one predefined library function in C++ that is called sort. And within the parentheses, there are 2 parts that we need to mention, and they are separated by a comma. So the first part would be the name of the array, and the second part would be name of the array plus the size of the array. So let me first compile and see how the result would be. Then we are going to analyze the code. Here also we are providing a for loop that we are starting from 0 and we are going up to the size of the array, and we are printing all elements of the array to see the sorted array. So as you see here, the array starts with 5 and finishes with 6. When I compile, okay, when I compile, we will see that 1, 2, 5, 5, 6, 9. So the array is now sorted. But why we need to define the sorted array using these line of code? So this is a predefined library in C++ that consists of 2 parts. The first part is the name of the array. The second part is the name of the array plus the size. So instead of the size, in this case, the calculated size would be 6 as we discussed. If we are going to, instead of the size, we type 3, it is going to sort only the first 3 elements of the array. Let's see. Okay, so the first 3 elements are originally 5 to 9. When we sort them, it is 259, and the rest of the array remains unsorted. So in order to sort the array, the full array, we need to type size here. But if we are going to only sort the array for the first 3 elements, simply just type 3. For simply just 4 first elements you would like to be sorted, so you just simply type 4 here. So it's okay, it depends on what you want to do. It was a very good example for us to learn how to use the sort function to easily sort our array in C++. Thank you for watching.